Hello and welcome back. So we are going to learn how to find the intersection between two sets, but I want to rename this file to something more fitting. So sets unions, instead of set unions, I want to call it set similarity measure. Similarity measure.py, so that in the end we have something that is going to help us to calculate the similarity of people. Okay. All right, so let's go here, and then we want to find out what they have in common. Okay, so we're going to say common interest is equal to, and then we can say man dot intersection woman. So what we are trying to find here is what do they have in common. Okay, so I'm going to say print common interest, and let's see. So this time around I'm going to run similarity measure.py. Okay, so this is the total, the interest of both the man and the woman, and you can see that they have only two interests in common. Well, is that a recipe for disaster in the relationship? Who knows? Maybe they will adapt to each other's interest. But as long as our mathematics is concerned, they have only two interests in common, because the woman likes traveling, the man likes traveling, the woman likes swimming, and the man also likes swimming. Okay, let's see, does it make any difference if we do woman intersection man? So woman intersection man, let's see if it is going to be any different. Sorry, I ran the wrong file. So you can see that it doesn't make any difference. What is happening here is when you call the union operation or the method on a set and you pass in another set, it is going to choose what is in woman and also in man. So what is in set A and also in set B is going to be the intersection of both sets, and that is what is common between them. And so now we know how to add two sets together to form the union, and we also know how to get what's common between two sets using the intersection operator. And so in the next video, I want us to take a look at a simple mathematics that will help us to be able to calculate the similarity of two individuals or two entities looking at what they are interested in. So let's take a quick break and I will see you in the next video.